It is always interesting to be able to generate Excel files in an application to propose reports to users, for example. In that tutorial, you are going to discover how to generate Excel files in a Java application. We'll generate XLSX files, but the logic and the API are the same to generate XLS files. For that, we are going to use the Grit Apache POI API. So we need to add the dependencies in our maven build.xml file. We open the good view, and then you can see that the first dependency is used to work with the older Excel file format, and the second is used to work with the newer Excel file format, XLSX. In our example, we are going to generate an Excel file containing a list of contacts. So we'll create a contact Pojo object. We add some properties like first name, last name, email, and the date of birth, and we generate a constructor for that Pojo. Okay, it's good. Then we can write the class to generate the report. We define some columns name for the generated file. First name, last name, email, and the date of birth. Then we create a property for the contact list. In the main method, we start by populating the list of contacts by creating some random contact. We add some context. We change the name, the first name or the last name for the contacts, and the date of birth. Now we can create a XSSF workbook instance because we want to generate an XLSX file. For XLS file, we should use the HSSF workbook class. So we instantiate this object, and then we create a cheat by calling the createCheat static method of the workbook instance created previously. We name it contacts. Then we need to create a font for styling header cells. We use the static createFont method of the workbook instance. We define a bold weight, then the font height in points. And finally, we define a color for this style, a red color here. The next step is to create a cell style with the font. With the same logic, we are going to call the create cell style static method of the workbook instance. And then we set the font created. Now we can create a row for the headers. We call the create row method of the cheat instance. Like it is the row header, it will be the 0 index. Then we create header cells and we add it to the headers row. We set the cell value from the column array and we set the header style defined previously. Now we can create other rows and cells with contact data. For each contact in the contact data list, we create a new row and then we set the values in the cells. And then we can resize all columns of our cheat to fit the content size. For that, we call the AutoSizeColumn method of the cheat for each column. The last step is to write the output to a file. We create a file output stream instance. And then we call the write method of the workbook instance with the file output stream instance in parameter. That's all for that program. Now we can run our Java program by clicking on the Run Java Application menu on Eclipse. The program is executing. Once the program execution is done, we can open the contacts.xlsx generated file. Okay. Like you can see, it worked great. The XLSX file has been generated and we have our contacts data displayed. That's all for that tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn to open an existing XLSX file and how to read the data inside. To discover more tutorials on Java development, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S Sorel channel.